cooking shouldn't waste your time or energy. Today, I'm sharing smart kitchen gadgets that make chopping, cooking, and meal prep faster and easier. These tools are designed to reduce effort, save space, and help you get better results at home. From simple prep gadgets to hands-free appliances, each product is practical and easy to use. If you want to check any of these items, all product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Geedel Manual Food Chopper. This kitchen tool is designed to chop vegetables, onions, garlic, nuts, and salads quickly with no electricity needed. It features sharp stainless steel blades and a simple slap mechanism that makes food prep fast and safe. The compact design helps reduce mess while keeping your hands away from blades. This vegetable chopper is dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and built for daily kitchen use. It works perfectly for meal prep, salads, and quick cooking tasks. The sturdy base keeps it stable on countertops. If you want a reliable manual chopper that saves time, reduces effort, and fits small kitchens, this food chopper is a smart and affordable kitchen essential. Starfrit Electric Vegetable Peeler. This automatic peeler removes skins from potatoes, apples, and other fruits effortlessly with one button operation. It includes 2 spare blades and a secure base for safe peeling. The electric peeler rotates smoothly, peeling evenly while reducing food waste. It is ideal for busy kitchens, seniors, and anyone who wants faster prep without strain. The compact size makes it easy to store after use. This kitchen gadget saves time and keeps your hands away from sharp blades. If peeling vegetables feels slow or tiring, this electric peeler makes everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable at home. Electric Automatic Jar Opener. This hands-free kitchen gadget opens tight jars and bottles with minimal effort. It grips lids securely and twists them open at the push of a button. Designed for seniors, women, and people with weak hands or arthritis, it removes the struggle from opening stubborn jars. The automatic jar opener works with multiple lid sizes and provides a strong, stable grip. Its compact design fits easily in kitchen drawers. This tool improves safety, comfort, and independence in the kitchen. If you want an easy way to open jars without pain or effort, this electric opener is a practical, everyday solution. Bamboo Cheese Board Set. This 14-inch round charcuterie board is perfect for serving cheese, fruits, crackers, and appetizers. It features a slide-out drawer with matching cheese knives for organized hosting. Made from durable, natural bamboo, it is smooth, food-safe, and built to last. The large surface offers plenty of space for entertaining guests. This cheese board adds a stylish and elegant touch to any table setup. It is ideal for parties, holidays, and gifting. If you enjoy hosting and want a functional yet beautiful serving tray, this bamboo cheese board is a great kitchen addition. CHEFMAN Dual Basket Air Fryer. This digital air fryer features 2 independent baskets that let you cook different foods at the same time. Each basket is non-stick, dishwasher safe, and easy to remove. The air fryer includes sink finish, high fry mode, and viewing windows for better control. It delivers crispy results using less oil, making meals healthier. With a total 6-quart capacity, it is perfect for families. This double air fryer saves time and improves cooking efficiency. If you want fast, even, and healthier meals, this air fryer is a powerful kitchen upgrade. Handheld Electric Pasta Maker. This portable noodle maker helps you create fresh homemade pasta quickly and easily. It includes multiple attachments for spaghetti, ramen, and other noodles. The cordless design makes it simple to use anywhere in the kitchen. This electric pasta maker presses dough smoothly and cuts evenly for consistent results. It includes a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. Perfect for pasta lovers, it saves time compared to manual methods. If you enjoy fresh pasta and creative cooking at home, this compact pasta maker is a fun and convenient kitchen gadget. BALMUDA Steam Toaster Oven. This compact toaster uses steam technology to create crispy exteriors and soft, fluffy interiors. It offers 5 cooking modes for sandwich bread, artisan bread, pizza, pastries, and oven use. Precise temperature control ensures even heating without burning food. Its sleek and modern design fits perfectly in small kitchens. The included baking pan adds extra versatility for cooking. This steam toaster enhances flavor and texture with professional-style results. It is easy to operate and delivers consistent performance. If you love high-quality toast and baked goods, this toaster oven brings cafe-level results into your home kitchen. Rechargeable pepper grinder set. This electric salt and pepper grinder provides adjustable coarseness for precise seasoning. It includes a charging base and built-in LED light for better visibility while cooking. The stainless steel body looks modern and is built for durability. One-touch operation allows effortless grinding during meal preparation. This rechargeable design eliminates the need for disposable batteries. It works well with salt, pepper, and other spices. The grinders deliver consistent results every time. If you want convenience, control, and a clean countertop look, this electric grinder set is a stylish and practical kitchen upgrade. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This compact kitchen appliance boils, poaches, and steams eggs quickly and consistently. It holds up to 7 eggs and includes a measuring cup and recipe guide. The automatic shutoff feature prevents overcooking and saves energy. This egg cooker is dishwasher safe and easy to clean after use. Its small size fits neatly on kitchen countertops. Ideal for breakfast, meal prep, and busy mornings, it delivers reliable results. If you want perfectly cooked eggs without using the stove, this rapid egg cooker is a simple and dependable solution. Presto Electric Foldaway Skillet. This 16-inch electric skillet provides a large cooking surface for family meals. It features adjustable temperature control for frying, sautéing, simmering, and more. The foldaway design allows compact storage and saves kitchen space. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning easier. This electric skillet delivers even heat across the pan for consistent results. It works well for one-pan meals and gatherings. Durable construction ensures long-term use. If you need a versatile and space-saving cooking appliance, this electric skillet is a reliable, everyday kitchen essential. Vinci Electric Citrus Juicer. This hands-free juicer extracts fresh juice with a simple one-button operation. It works with oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits of different sizes. The powerful motor delivers maximum juice with minimal effort. Its sleek stainless steel design looks great on kitchen countertops. The juicer is easy to clean and designed for daily use. It reduces mess and saves time in the morning. If you enjoy fresh citrus juice without squeezing by hand, this electric juicer is a convenient and efficient kitchen upgrade. Rotating Charcuterie Board Set. This tiered bamboo board features a 360-degree rotating base with 4 swivel trays. It provides generous space for cheese, fruits, snacks, and appetizers. The rotating design makes serving easy and interactive for guests. Made from durable bamboo, it is sturdy and visually appealing. This charcuterie board is ideal for parties, holidays, and special gatherings. It also works well as a gift. If you enjoy entertaining and want a unique serving display, this rotating board adds elegance and convenience to your table. Yonanas Frozen Dessert Maker. This machine turns frozen fruit into smooth, soft-serve desserts in minutes. It is ideal for healthy, vegan, and dairy-free treats. The powerful motor processes fruit evenly without adding sugar. It includes recipe ideas to inspire creative flavors. This dessert maker is easy to use and simple to clean after use. Perfect for families and health-focused lifestyles, it offers a fun alternative to ice cream. If you want sweet treats made only from fruit, this frozen dessert maker is a delicious and guilt-free kitchen appliance. Newness Whizzy Whisk Tool. This semi-automatic whisk blends ingredients using a simple push motion. Made from stainless steel, it is durable, rust-resistant, and long-lasting. It works well for eggs, milk, sauces, batters, and dressings. The manual design requires no electricity or batteries. This whisk mixes faster than traditional tools with less effort. It is easy to clean and store after use. If you want quicker mixing without bulky appliances, this whisk is a practical and affordable kitchen tool for everyday cooking. Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater. This hand-cranked cheese grater shreds cheese, vegetables, and nuts quickly and safely. It includes 3 interchangeable blades for slicing and shredding tasks. The strong suction base keeps it stable during use. Made from durable materials, it protects your hands from sharp edges. This rotary grater is easy to clean and efficient for meal prep. It delivers consistent results with minimal effort. If you want a faster and safer way to grate food at home, this cheese grater is a reliable kitchen helper.